Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a game that like Colin can talk. The game like this. A game like this. Okay, now let's see how to make that. Now let's go to the video. Okay, now let's see how to create this game. First, go to scratch.meet.edu. And then log in for your account. Okay, now I have see you how to shown you how to create a Scratch account. If you haven't seen that video, click on the top right corner card. Then you can view that video. Now, after login for your Scratch website account, click on create. Now it's loading. Okay, now if you, after it get loaded, you can see the interface like this. You can see the interface in my screen because I have added the Scratch add-on. If you haven't seen the Scratch add-on video, you can see it in the top right corner displayed card. In that you can see it. Okay, now let's remove this sprite. First. Create a name for this. Let's put talking game. One. Now let's delete this sprite. Okay. Let's delete. Now click on this icon and click on the search icon and add the sprite. Let's add animal. Let's add animal. Let's see. Let's add a frog. Okay. And add another animal. loading. Okay, loaded. Now let's take another animal. I'll choose this dinosaur. Okay, now both the sprites are set. Now let's get a backdrop. Yes, click on this search icon here. Let's get a backdrop from here. Let's get okay. And we must take another backdrop. Let's choose this. And we must choose another backdrop, like in the grass, like that, in the forest, like that. Let's choose another. Let's take a backdrop of outdoor. Let's choose one, this. Let's choose this forest. Okay. Now I have choose two backdrops. Now let's code. Okay, now I have the code right here. If you want, you can look at this and code it. First, this code is for the dinosaur, and this code is for the frog. Here's the code. You can pause the video and see the code and take it. Or also, I'll put the link of this project on the description below. From that, you can remix this project and take to your account. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Now I'll share this. Yes. And then I'll put this. Okay, now the project is shared. I'll put the project link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.